Introduction. Krithika and Rahul are brother and sister. One night, Rahul and Krithika stand in their balcony and look at the stars in the sky. Rahul points out to some interesting star patterns. Krithika is thrilled to see them. She asks Rahul to tell her more about the sky. In this lesson, you will learn about heavenly bodies. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe sun, explain the importance of sun to earth, describe moon, and list important shapes of moon. The sun. Sun is a bright star. It is very hot and big. It is even bigger than our earth. It appears small because it is very far. Our earth goes around the sun. It takes 1 year to complete one round. Sunrise and sunset. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. At noon, it is right over our heads. Longest shadows are formed in the morning and the evening. Shortest shadows are formed during noontime when the sun is overhead. Source of heat and light. Sun gives us heat and light. Without it, earth would be very dark and cold. Plants, animals, and human beings would not be able to live on it. Sun makes life possible on earth. Stars. The sky also has the moon and other stars. They are seen in the night. They cannot be seen during daytime because the bright sunlight hides them. All stars are made up of gases, including the sun. Star patterns. Stars make beautiful patterns in the sky. Let us look at some interesting patterns. Moon. Moon is the natural satellite of our earth. It goes around it and takes 28 days to complete one round. It is full of rocks and big holes called craters. There is no water on moon, so life is not possible on it. Moon does not have light of its own. It reflects the sun's light, therefore it appears bright. It is smaller than the sun, but it appears big because it is nearer to earth than the sun. Shapes of moon. The shape of the moon changes continuously as it moves around the earth. When the moon becomes invisible in the sky, it is called the new moon. When it appears fully round, it is called the full moon. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Sun is a star. The sun provides us heat and light. Earth goes around the sun. Stars are made up of gases. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Moon goes around the earth. Moon reflects sun's light. The shape of the moon changes continuously.